Just wanted to make you a little screencast about your note here, and I'm so glad you put that in. I could see that you were able to indent one of them, but the challenge is to get them all. So you asked, how do you do that? So I'm going to make you a quick little video here. So I work in Google Docs, and there's a number of different programs. It'd probably be the same thing. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your citations are in alphabetical order, which these ones are. And then, so to indent the second line and every line after that, you want to put your cursor at the second line. So you're going to do one citation at a time, unfortunately. So I'm going to move the ruler over here. And then there's this top bar. I'm just going to move it back. And what that does is this sets the first line and this sets the line after that. So again, when I have more than two lines, I just put my cursor at the beginning of the second line, move the ruler over. What it should do is do every line, but maybe we just have to do it all at one time. What is happening? For whatever reason, it just wants to do that. That's fine. So with this one in particular, it's just about making sure that first line, if I put it on the second line, then it's going to take everything after that. And for this last one, I'm going to try doing that same thing where I move that one there and then move it back. So maybe with lines 2 or more, that you just have to make sure everything's over, and then when you put your cursor there, it's just showing where that indent should be. So hopefully that helps you understand how to do that. Using the tab bar doesn't necessarily work. You have to make sure you move the indent on the ruler.